Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm bringing you guys something a little bit different. Legos. So as you can see, I built a Lego gun all out of Legos and some rubber bands. This gun actually used 6 rubber bands. One right here, one right there, one right here, and 2 right there. And there's one on the magazine. There's 3 inside the gun that you cannot see. But there's 1 and 2 that you can see, like right here. And run on the magazine, but yeah. So, hopefully I have enough storage to upload this on YouTube because something is going on with my phone. And, yeah. Let's get into the features before I show you how it works. And, yeah. First we're going to start off with this handle kind of thing. So, yeah, I'll leave that right there. We have a red dotted sight. The red dot right here. So yeah, put that back on. Got this thing, this aimer thing from AK-47. This was originally gonna be AK-47, but I ended up changing it because I didn't like the way it looked. So yeah, we have an extendable stock. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. If we move on to the side right here. So this thing right here is the safety. If I kind of just like push that down right there, it won't allow me to shoot the gun, pull the trigger. So yeah, that's my safety system right there. And trying to think of more features. Oh, yeah, flip the gun over. Pretty heavy. Has a magazine release system, so you can like release the magazine. If I can find. So hard recording with one hand. So yeah, let's see if I can do this. Okay. So yeah, this is the magazine release. Recorded this a couple times, but my phone kept acting up again. So yeah. This gun holds 12 bullets. And yeah, let me load it up. You guys can skip this part, me loading it up, because it's kind of boring in my opinion. So yeah, feel free to like, I don't know, skip the video. I might do a tutorial on this later on in the future. And yeah. So hard recording with one hand. I should have gotten somebody to record me. Alright, I'm gonna set this right here. So those are the targets right there. And I might have bad aim, but we're gonna do it anyway. So, yeah. Alright. So let's get this shot off. Alright. Oh, wow. Wow, that shot weak. This thing actually shoots pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. Just destroyed. I might not hit all the targets because I have bad aim. Yeah. last one. Let's see if I can hit it. Probably not. And, yep. So, yeah. That's basically it. That's basically it for this video. So yeah, this is the cockback system if you guys didn't see. And yeah, I might do a tutorial in the future on this, but yeah, stay tuned for that. Hopefully. And if you have not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I need money. I need money. So, yeah. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe if you are not already. Make sure to turn on your notifications on. My channel is dead. It probably always will be dead, but yeah. Do whatever you can to support my channel. So, yeah. So, peace out, guys.